everybody, friends, family, supporters of Brilliant Concept brand. So, in the past few weeks, I've gotten a whole lot of inquiries, a whole lot of requests, a whole lot of inspections from clients regarding Avocado Apartments 2.0 located in Abidjan GRA off Lekki Epe Expressway, Lagos State, Nigeria, West Africa. So, because of the number of inquiries and the number of payments made for apartments here, I decided that today I will come here and do another video for you. But this time, not your usual marketing video. This time, it is a professional technical video with one of the engineers here on site who will explain to you, dear clients looking at us, the technical details of this structure and reasons why Avocado Apartments is one of the most solid structures that you need to buy now in Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm not doing this alone today. I have with me here our verified, specialized engineer, Engineer Bolaji on site. He's the engineer in charge of Avocado Apartments. So quickly, he'll be taking us through the reasons why you need to invest, reasons why you need to buy into Avocado Apartments. So, good afternoon, Engineer Bolaji.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So,
thank you, ma'am.
We need you to explain to us, because I'm a marketer.
Okay.
I'm not so deep into technical parts, right? So I need you to explain to our clients looking at us the reasons why Avocado Apartments is a strong structure and why they need to buy it now.
Well, thank you, ma'am, once again.
You're welcome.
Well, you're actually welcome to Avocado 2.0. And what you are seeing right here is one of the best structures you can ever see, ever in Nigeria. This is it. If you're looking at my left-hand side right here, you can see that this is a frame structure, which is statically determinate. So as you can see, before I actually arrive at this particular point, we've actually done a series of tests to actually know that if these buildings are actually or can stand to the test of time. And we've done a series of tests based on the starting from the soil test. So these actually give us what type of foundation we are going to use. What kind of foundation we are going to erect for the building. So this actually determines us to actually know the bearing capacity of the soil. You know what I mean by bearing capacity of the soil? What this sand you are seeing right here can withstand.
The strength.
The strength of the soil, exactly. So as you can see right now, we can actually see that over there, you see that this is a raft foundation with apron around it. So which actually make the structure very stable and the loads are evenly distributed to the soil. So it's not a point whereby, it's not a building whereby you actually erect and after like 10, 20 years, you now see the building tilting, like building, you start seeing cracks. So that can never happen at Avocado 2.0. So as you can see, basically, I can start to knock off the whole wall and the building is still going to stand.
Nice.
I can knock everything off and it's going to stand. So that is the advantage of a frame structure. You can see the part of the finished product over here. So work is still going on internally, but this is the carcass and the structural element of the building. So, and basically, the height of that raft you are seeing over there is about 1.5 meter high. Yes, 1.5 meter high. And is actually compacted and the oversight concrete is about 175 mm thick. That's the oversight concrete. I mean the German floor.
Oh, the German floor.
Yeah, the German floor.
We are not breaking down for us. So it's
about 175. Yes. So it's about 175 mm thick. And that can actually tell you that even though you have a void in the raft, the German floor still withstand what the life load and the dead load they are having on the structure. So what I'm trying to tell you now right now is that these buildings will actually last for what is designed for. So I can actually tell you that you, in fact, put your mind at rest and come into Avocado 2.0 and invest and buy a lot of buildings, buy a lot of units around this particular point. You can see that the work is actually going on. And the good part about this building also is like is a smart home. We've actually incorporated this into the building. So everything has been included in the building. And basically, if you actually allow me to, if you can actually go inside, then I can actually tell you more about it. And the good part about this building is also, you can see the piping, the mechanical system is a conduit system.
Conduits, okay.
Yeah, it's a conduit system whereby if you have any fault, it can be easily accessed. You don't need to start breaking walls, start doing this. You can only see it outside there. But the way we actually designed the building, when you go inside, I'll show you what I mean by that. So it's a sweet home.
Thank you very much, Engineer Bolaji. Even me that I'm not so techy, I think I understand all what you've explained. And this is actually very important because in this day and age where there are so many stories of collapsed buildings left, right, and center, you need to be sure of what you're buying. You need to be sure of where you're putting your money. Either you're buying it for personal use, or you're buying it for Airbnb, or even for rental income. You need to be sure that what you're buying, whoever is going to live there, will not have any issues, right? So like I said, Avocado Apartments 2.0 is one of the properties that you should buy and will give you rest of mind. So let's go inside. So you talk us through what is inside, the dimensions of the house, the living room, the rooms, and everything you need to know about the internal construction. Stay with us. Let's go show you. Meanwhile, follow, like, subscribe, and share this page, this YouTube page, to your family and friends so that they too can be enjoying all this important information that you, my dear client, is enjoying right now. Let's go.
Okay, just like what I said, part of the smart features of AVOCADO 2.0 is you can see these blue cables over there. So they are part of the smart features. And for instance, if you have an occupant at the first floor over there, so the occupant can easily see a visitor coming into the apartment.
From his apartment?
From his apartment. Oh, wow. So you're going to have a small screen over there. So either you choose to talk to the person through at the door, or you allow the person in.
So what you're saying, if I get you right, is that if I'm staying on that floor, for example, and there's someone at the entrance here, I can see the person all the way from there.
Yes.
That's
so
amazing.
These are the camera points, you can see.
Oh, I see.
These are the camera points. We have 2 camera points here. So it's just telling you that the building is fully secured. So those are part of the features also. Let's go up so we can actually see.
I like the sound of that. So I can actually see my visitor before you enter my house. So I can decide if I want to see you or say bye-bye to you.
So just like what I was saying on the ground floor, I was like, this part of the smart features. So you can actually see your visitor coming in through that blue line. Can you see the blue one over there?
This one?
So you can see it's similar to what you have on the ground floor.
Okay.
So you can see it. So that is where the screen is going to be. So the moment you actually want to allow your visitors to come in.
Here, right?
Yes. Okay. So you have about 11 inches
like
screen.
A video camera?
Yes, yeah, exactly. And the good part about it is that you can even communicate internally within apartments, communicate to the security also to know if you can actually
allow the person
to come in or not. So those are part of the features. And you can see this place, this sitting room is about 40 square meter. So which is, you can see it's very wide and very big. And the good part is well ventilated. It's crossed. You can see.
So there's natural light coming in. There's cross ventilation. Yes.
So it's actually cross ventilation. So we actually put that into consideration also in terms of our design. So whereby if you actually want to actually feel the cool breeze, so you can actually have it. And if you want to go on by your AC, you have the points there already. So you can see it's well enough.
I like the fact that the sitting room is big, as well as the bedrooms. They're actually very massive.
Yes, and well ventilated. So this is the visitor's toilet.
Yes.
You can see it's actually is wide enough. And this is the kitchen.
Look at the kitchen. Take a good look at the kitchen.
So
it's
actually
big.
Very wide.
Yes.
We've actually put everything into consideration while designing this. So both the kitchen sink, the gas, so everything is actually very
cabinets.
Exactly, it's coming in with all that. Okay. So let's go to the room. This is one of the rooms over here.
I'm loving this apartment, honestly.
You can see this is one of the room. This is the bedroom.
What size?
So this is about 20 square meters.
20 square meters, okay. So that means the sitting room is double,
20 times
twice of this.
Yes,
nice.
Twice of this.
Nice. And all the bedrooms are in suite.
All in suite, exactly. They're all in suite.
Nice.
So everything comes in
I like I don't know what it's called, but the fact that the walls are smooth.
Yeah, the walls are actually screeded. And the good part is
so smooth.
You have to actually put a lot of tests into this before we could actually come into conclusion about the screening part and
almost looking painted, like, you know.
Yeah,
I like the feel.
It's very clean and it's neat. So, and by the time you are done with this, you'll be wowed.
I can't wait to see the finished products. I honestly can't wait.
You'll be wowed.
And I'm so happy on behalf of my clients that I've bought. They are so excited about this project.
And so this is the other room also.
Yeah, the last
room. This is the second room. And you can see which is actually also big enough. This is just 18 square meter.
This is how many?
18 square meter.
18 square meter, okay.
So that is actually
that's the master there.
Yes,
exactly. The second bedroom.
So
and it's also ensuite.
Ensuite. All ensuite.
Thank you, Engineer Bolaji, for taking us through this walkthrough, explaining all the technical details of the apartment here in Abidjan, in Avocado Apartments 2.0. Now, let me put in my own marketing parts into this video so everything will balance. You've seen it, and I know that you already love it. You love the spaces, you love the location, the title, the C of O. The best part of all of this for me is the payment plan. You have up to 24 months. That is 2 years. A whole 2 years. 365 days times 2 for you to make your payment here in Avocado Apartments. All you need to start with a deposit of 10% and spread the balance up to 2 years. This location is superb. It is just directly off Lekki-Ekpe Expressway in Abidjan, GRA. Gong, 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 gong. This is the real Idon that they're talking about. So if you want to become Idores, or Idora, you need to call Brilliant Concept right now. Come for inspection, come and see for yourself and pick the number of units of apartments that you want. You can buy for your personal use to live here. You can buy for your mom, for your dad, that's your auntie, that's your uncle that has helped you in life. You can buy for AB and B short-let business. You can buy for rental income. And like I said, there's up to 24 months payment plan. We have 1 bedroom up to 3 bedroom here. 1 bedroom is 35 million naira as I speak. 2 bedroom is 45 million and 3 bedroom goes for 50 million naira. And all you need to start is 10% of that as first deposit, and the balance can be spread within 6 months without interest or up to 24 months with interest. So, like I said earlier, they are selling very fast. So that you don't miss out on this, call Brilliant Concept right now.
Another system we're going to have inside the estate. So as you can see, this is a bowl digester. So it actually converts our solid waste to clean water.
Are you serious?
To convert it to a clean water.
That's converting sewage to water.
Yes, the solid waste to water.
Wow.
So this is the system on its own, and we're going to have about 120 cubic meter of this at this particular point. You can see the system, yes. So these are part of, when we're talking about engineering, so you need to understand what you are doing. You need to put some things in place so that what you're actually trying to erect will not fail. So this system you're actually seeing now is what we call the suction process, whereby it eliminates the groundwater, so it won't affect what they are doing over there. So it won't weaken it, it won't allow water to start seeping out into the
and causing smell or something.
Smells, exactly. It's going to weaken the concrete in that particular point. So that is why you're seeing this system. It removes the groundwater. So if you check this blue hose now, so this is this blue hose. So this is the outlet pipe where the water is actually coming out from. So all these things are actually put in place to actually make sure the water coming out to the surface area is actually pumped out. So this thing works for the whole 24 hours non-stop.
Wow.
Just for us to achieve something standard. So it's a process. You need to learn and you need to know about it.
So this is actually a better alternative to the conventional septic tank.
Septic tank, exactly.
Nice. Nice.
So this is a better way, and this is actually good. So no smell, no foul smell in place,
no flushing out. So
exactly.
every now and then.
Systems whereby you go into some apartments, when you go to their toilets,
you already have one bad smell.
Some kind of bad smell. It can never happen here. So this is why we are having this.
This is one of the reasons why you need to buy into avocado apartments. I tell my clients all the time, when you buy from this apartment, you are getting value for your money. Not every estate has biodigester. Is that right? Biodigester. Not every estate has it. Not every property has it. Right? So it's one of the advantages and the perks you will get when you buy into Avocado Apartments 2.0. There's so much to say, so much to talk about in this estate. What is that? Because I wanted to ask you. What's that?
What you're having over there is the water tank.
Okay.
So we're going to have about 210,000 liters of water standing over there.
Oh, nice.
So you can see the type of foundation you're having over there is quite different from the residential.
Yes, I was going to say that.
So just to tell you that the load differs. So actually, that's why I said we put everything into place. So the type of foundation you're having over there is a power foundation because of what it's going to carry.
Okay, well, for the houses, it's raft.
Yes, it's a raft.
Okay.
So with aprons.
So it's apron.
Yes, exactly. And if you check the thickness of the H-beams, you can see that we actually put that into consideration. We do not manage materials.
Yes. I know that for a fact.
According to standard. So put everything in place and make sure that you actually achieve what is best for our client. So you can see over there, you can actually tour around and then see.
I've actually enjoyed this session even more than my clients that are watching this. And trust me, I'm going to be here in another 3 months to give an update to my clients on what has been achieved from today till then. And like
3
I
months
said,
is far.
3 months is far. Okay, I'll come back next month. Like, trust
3 months is far.
With the pace of work that you have achieved here, I believe when you say 3 months is far, because actually this project is one of the fastest I've seen so far. The speed of work is like lightning here, and they still do not compromise on quality. So, Engineer Bolaji, I've enjoyed this session, and like I said, I'll be here next month. In fact, I'll do this every month till we deliver. Just so that our clients know that yes, when we say something, we do it. To see that work is going on. And I'm really impressed about it. In fact, I've also learned a lot today. I'm impressed about this, about digester thing, because I think there's not every estate that does this, and it's actually value added. You know, so that will eliminate all sorts of pollution, smell, and all of that. This is a very nice concept. So, my dear clients, we have come to the end of this technical video with Engineer Bolaji. I used to become an engineer, so at least with this small one I've learned today, I can put the title of Engineer MFK. I can add it to my feather. So thank you so much, Bolaji, and thank you, my dear clients, for watching. Stay tuned, because this is going to be a monthly thing. Myself and Engineer Bolaji will be here again this time next month to give you a further update on Avocado Apartments. But do not wait till then before you buy your apartment, because every day apartments are sold here. We have limited apartments left here, right? So call Brilliant Concept right now and pay your deposits or pay in full for the apartments that you want. Like I said, 1 bedroom is 35 million, 2 bedroom is 45 million, and 3 bedroom is 50 million naira. First deposit is 10%, and balance can be paid within 6 months at no interest or up to 24 months with interest. This estate has everything you're looking for. It has a C of O, location is superb, it's directly off Lekki Ekpe Expressway. Perfect property, perfect location. So call Brilliant Concepts and get yours now. Thank you.